Assalamu alaikum. How are you, my dear students? Hope all you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIBS English. This is Amir Uddin, assistant teacher of mathematics, morning shift, national ideal English version. Dear students, today I am going to take a math class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic, multiplication, page number 59. Dear students, this is lesson number 15 and SW number 14. Now, dear students, let us start our today's class. At first, we will solve question number 1, sub number 3 from page number 59. Here we have to multiply 53 by 8. Dear students, for solving this problem, we will use a rough space and 53 multiplication 8. Now here 8 is the what? 8 is the 24. From 24, here 1's place digit is 4, so we will write here 4 and carry 2. Now 8 5's are 40 and 40 plus this carry 2. 42, that you see, right? 42 here. So answer will be 424. Answer 424. Okay, we have solved 3 numbers. Now we will solve question number 9. Question number 1, sub number 9. Here you have to multiply 284 by 28. We will also use rough here. 284 multiply by 28. At first, we will multiply 284 by 8. Here 8 is in 1's place digit. So 8 4's are 32. From 32, we will write and carrying 3. Now 8 8's are 64. 64 plus this 3, this is 67. And from 67 we'll write this 7 and carrying will be 6. Now 8 2's are 16 and 16 plus this 6, this is equal to 22. Here the students, we have finished one step, first step. Now we'll do second step. And in this step, we have to multiply 284 by 10's place digit 2. Since we will multiply this number by 10's place digit, so at first we will give 0 in 1's place digit. Now here 4 2's are 8. We will write 8 here. Now 8 2's are what? 8 2's are 16. From 16 we'll write 6 and carrying will be 1. Now 2 2's are 4 and 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Now if we add, then it will be 2 plus 0, this is equal to 0. 7 plus 8, this is equal to 15. From 15 we'll write 5 carrying 1. 1 plus 2, this is equal to 3 and 3 plus 6, this is equal to 9 and 5 plus 2, this is equal to 7. So that answer will be 5950. Answer 595. Okay, dear students, now we'll solve 5 number question. Question number 2, sub number 5. At first, we'll multiply 28 by 1's place digit 3. Now 3 8's are what? 3 8's are 24. From 24, we'll write 4 carrying 2. 3 2's are 6 and 6 plus 2, this is equal to 8. Now we'll multiply 28 by tens place digit 7. Since we'll multiply this 28 by tens place digit, so at first in ones place digit we'll give 0. Now 7 eights are 56. From 56 we'll write 6 here and carrying 5. And now 7 twos are 14. 14 plus 5, this is equal to 19. Now if we add, then 4 plus 0, this is equal to 0. 8 plus 6, 8 plus 6 equal to 14. From 14 we will write 4 carrying 1. 1 plus 9, this is equal to 10. From 10 we will write 0 carrying 1, and 1 plus 1, this is equal to 4. So that answer will be 2044. 04. Now we'll do question number 2, sub number 8. Here at first 7 5s are what? 5 7s or 7 5s, this is equal to 35. From 35 we will write here 5 carrying 3. Now 7 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 3, this is equal to 3. Now 7 3s are what? 7 3s are 21. So answer will be 2 1 3 5. Answer 2 1 3. Dear the students, now we'll solve question number 2, sub number 12. Here we have to multiply 298 by 35. At first we will multiply 298 by 1's place digit 5. That means we will do now first step here. 5 8s are what? 5 8s are 40. From 40 we will write 0 carrying 4. Now 5 9s are what? 5 9s are 45, and 45 plus 4, this is equal to 49. From 49 we will write here 9 and carrying 4. Now 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, this is equal to 14. Okay, now we'll do second step. That means we will multiply 298 by tens place digit 3. Since we multiply 298 by tens place digit, so at first we have to give 0 in 1's place. Now 3 8s are what? 3 8s are 24. From 24 we will write 4 here and carrying 2. Now 3 9s are 27, and 27 plus 2, this is equal to 29. From 29 we will write 9 carrying 2 again. Now 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2, this is equal to 8. Now 0 plus 0, this is equal to 0. And 4 plus 9, this is equal to 13. From 13 we will write 3 carrying 1. 1 plus 9 10. 10 plus 4 14. From 14 we will write 4 carrying 1. 1 plus 1 2, and 2 plus 8, this is equal to 10. So answer will be 10,430. That means 10,430. 10,430. This is the answer. Okay, dear the students, it's 0. We have finished our today's CW. I hope you have understood today's class. You practice more and more at home. Now I am giving you SW. Dear students, this is SW number 14 and topic of our today's SW, Elementary Mathematics book, page number 59, question number 1, sub number 2 and 5, and question number 2, sub number 6, 7 and 11. Okay, dear the students, do your SW properly and submit on next Saturday. Stay home, stay safe, obey your parents' order. Thank you for watching the class. Allah Hafiz.